Good afternoon, Lead Bullets for Life here, and guys, I want to share something with you that I discovered while editing my video for Saturday on the 25-yard Rossi 357 Magnum shoot. And I took several videos of the targets themselves, but of course I had to edit to compress the timeline, you know, to make it like under 10 minutes. This one here, like 6.5 minutes, I believe, and it was a pretty good video. I got a lot of comments from you guys, and I want to thank you for that as well. But I noticed something too. I made a private video, and what had happened was I had slowed down the speed to about maybe 20%. And in the video, you can see the bullets flying in and hitting the target. Now the target had a cardboard backstop. Behind that was a tar paper backstop. This is what they use, you know, to staple on the targets at the range. But in slow motion, from 25 yards away, you can hear the bullet thwapping the paper, and you can hear that flat nose just punching it at 25 yards away. So understand the velocity is going down. So I'm thinking the velocity was anywhere from 700 to 725 by the time the bullet got there at 25 yards, coming out at about 760 to 70 feet per second. So, you know, variations in velocity, but the accuracy was quite good actually, in spite of the poor visibility and the poor sights on the gun itself. But you know, I may do. But anyways, guys, I'm going to share that with you today, and I think you'll find that interesting. How special effects, not special effects, but to actually modify the video a little bit to see what it actually can do. So you're going to actually see the bullet flying in, and you're going to see it make a hole, then you're going to hear the thwapping sound. Now understand something too, this is a public range, now there's shooting going on everywhere. I was very surprised that I actually heard the impact from 25 yards away into the camera itself. So the camera picked up the sound and picked up the bullets flying into the target, which I thought was kind of neat. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and edit that for you and put it online, and it's just for a fun video. It has nothing to do with being scientific at all. Anyways guys, let's get started.